Where are you guys from?
I'm from Poland.
Poland, and you?
From Spain.
Spain. When did you arrive in Bougainville?
2 days ago, we landed in Buka.
And
And
how do you feel when you are here in Bougainville?
amazing. It's such a lovely, welcoming place. We were not expecting that it will be just so nice.
You've been to Papua New Guinea? Other parts of Papua New Guinea?
Yes.
How do you feel there?
There we cannot go out, we cannot walk anywhere. We have to be very careful all the time. But here, God willing, everything is safe. We can walk, nobody's trying to steal from us. We are very happy, we feel very relaxed actually.
Thank you. And you feel that Bougainville is one of the safe place to live in the safe province in Papua New Guinea, okay?
Yes, absolutely.
And what is the message that you can bring to the people of Bougainville to maintain this, or the people of Papua New Guinea to get the example from Bougainville? What message do you can bring to the people?
So I think that the message is that Papua New Guinea should take example from Bougainville in how to welcome tourists and how to take care of them, and really how to preserve their traditions, because we are really amazed about this festival and how nicely the traditions are preserved, not only in like very traditional way but also in the modern way. So it shows that modernity and tradition is not something that is
And of course, thank you again, Lord, tourist playmate.
that cannot be at the same time.
And you, what is the message that you bring to the people of Papua New Guinea, other part of Papua New Guinea, and also the people of Bougainville, how they can maintain it? Oh yeah.
Yes, everything Papua New Guinea and Bougainville are beautiful countries. You have so much to offer. You have nature, you have snorkeling, you have swimming, and you have the very friendly people. So please continue being friendly, welcome tourists, and treat us with respect like we respect you, and hopefully we will get to bring more people. Our friends will come. This will improve your living because you will get money from tourism, but in a good way, respectful, and make a small bracelets and create magnets. We didn't find any magnets anywhere. We need magnets from you.
Thank you for having you too. Thank you very much.
Where?
Yeah. I'm from here.
Coming all the way from Southside.
And I'm from the northern part of Bougainville. Thank you very much for having you guys. And you all have, I know you all the tourists are here now in Arawa Town. Have a beautiful time. Thank you
so
very much, and
Thank
love you guys.
Thank you.
A very nice time to
Thank you.
nice to have you.
Wait, we need to take